Hey guys, welcome back on this Health Cloud tutorial video. So today we are going to talk about the goals, care team or the task. Okay, so these three terms we are going to talk about in this video. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so in the earlier session, we had talked about the person account. How do we convert the lead into the patient, or we can say person account? So we are converted the this lead into the patient record. Okay, so now let's talk about the next step. What should be the next step for this patient to take care better of this patient, right? So let's go started it. So let's get started. So these are the care plan. Okay, uh, care plan. So what are the care plan? A care plan in the health cloud is a plan made for each patient's to guide them towards better health, right? So I mean the care plan is to all the pre decided plans for the patient health. Okay, so the the care plan is health cloud is a plan made for the each patient to guide them towards better health, right? Okay, so this is the care plan. Next is goal. Let me just So here we can see the sub tab here. If we expand this, we can see the sub tabs here, like task, care team, and goals. So we are discussed about what is the care team, right? Now we are talking about the goals. What are the goals? So the goal is something. Goal is something you want the patient to achieve. Okay. For example, stop getting kidney stones, right? So this is the goal. I mean to say ki what is the goal to better care of that patient. Okay, what we plan to uh, take care of the patient. Okay, so what is the goal? Goal is something you want the patient to achieve. For example, I gave you earlier, like stop getting more kidney stones. Okay, so these are the goal. Now we are talking about task. What are the tasks? So task is a specific action or the step to help achieve a goal. Okay, for example, buying low sodium food. So let me just explain you. uh, if we are planning, or if we want to achieve the goal, what we need to do, we need to create the task for that. So that is the task. Okay, so just for example, suppose a patient with a kidney stone problem. Okay, the goal could be don't get more kidney stones, or we can say sub goal might be right, reduce salt intake. Okay, cut down the eating lots of red meat. Okay, and avoid a high protein diet. Okay, so these are all about the care team goals and tasks. I hope you understand. Okay, so uh, let's go to how we can setting these. Okay, like how we can create the goal and task. So uh, let's create the goal for this patient first. So go to the goals tab, new goal. Okay, and name like reduce salt intake. Description as it is. I gave this medium, sort order one. So the problem is this goal is meant to address, like multiple goals can be added under the main health problem. Okay, so I am ignoring this category. No, don't worry about this. Just save it. Okay, so we are created the goal for this patient. Okay, if we wanted to take care better of this patient, we want first to set the goal, and what we need to do to achieve this goal. We need to create the task. So we are creating the goal here. Okay, now let's create the task for this patient. Okay, so just go to the David Maneko All Care Plan. Now we are going to create a task here. Task could be like subject. The task could be like avoid fast food, right? And goal. It This task is created under this goal. Okay, to achieve this goal mainly. Avoid sort order. Make this two priority normal. Just click on save. Okay, so the task is created for this goal to avoid the fast food. Okay, okay, and the system allow you to assign the task to specific people or like a family member. Okay, like we can say to any family member of this patient to take care to avoid the fast food. Okay, so we can assign this task to any family member of this patient. Okay, now next is assigning tasks and responsibilities. So the task can be assigned to the patients themselves or caregivers like their son or another family member, as I said to you. And this makes sure everyone knows what they need to do help the patient stay healthy. Okay, so now let's go to the care plan. So we have created this task for this goal to achieve this goal named reduce salt intake. Okay, so whenever we create this task for any goal, you can assign to anyone. So just the basic process will be go ahead. Like create a task, we can give the priority medium high or low. So we can take the follow up for this task. Okay, so now let's talk about why it is important. So the goals give the patient something clear to aim for, right? And the tasks are the step that help reach those goals, like we can say like a checklist, right? And this structure help care teams keep patient healthy and make sure nothing is forgotten, right? So and it is also make it is easy to assign, track and manage all the actions to support the patient health. Okay, so these are all about the care team goals and tasks. Okay, so yes, all right, let me just summarize you. So the care plan have the goals, what you want to achieve for the patient. Okay, and the task, what are the tasks, the small steps need to get there. Okay, or we can say achieve the goal. Okay, or we can assign these to family member or caregivers, so everyone works together for the patient health. So yeah, that's all for this today's session video. I hope you understand to make your concepts better. Yeah, thank you.